can harder because I did. Thank you. Yes.
Money over, bitches, that's up. Money over,
Hey.
Look, everybody in the crib say what's up. Hey, we back in this bitch. I don't know.
We back in this bitch.
I don't know if we
Come
going
on. Fuck going.
But S-Class back in fucking Florida.
We in a striker.
Yeah, we in.
Ah.
But listen, I found a little post on Facebook. Niggas had puppies, bro. So guess what we finna go do?
Ah.
Guess what we finna do? We finna go
What?
pick us up
What?
puppies. You feel me? I don't know how many we finna get. One for sure, maybe two.
Maybe.
I think they're
So we bought a zoo.
They're little.
Aussie.
So Chop is meeting Narcos, bro. Yeah, Narcos is super salty right now. I can't lie. Look at it, bro. He running around. He said, "Let me get around, bro." Why are you tiptoeing, bro?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
So we're out here at we out here at Fort Morgan, hey. You know, for Father's Day. Just Fort in the Morgan. That's actually crazy looking though. Oh my god, these spider webs are insane. Yeah, I'm insane. That's insane. Drop on me, I want to be Spider-Man. There's some serious Gnar action going on right now.
Yeah, I've got 2 legs in case the shark people can serve.
Look at that professional Gnar catcher out there.
Just made my whole weekend. You just hit that shit down on the deck. Goodbye, ball. He didn't even hit the ball.
Bro, what?
What?
Hey, replay that. Replay that.
Goodbye, ball.
There we go. Not at the car. Up. Oh! Fuck! Oh! Will! Fuck! Oh, shit! Fuck! You having a good day?
I think he said yeah.
Fuck, bro. My bad.
Sorry, bro.
Hey, Ed, I'm having a good day, bro. Are you having a good day, bro?
Bro, I'm having a good day.
I'm having a great day. I'm having a fantastic. I'm about to get this caramel latte shake.
What?
Shake that ass.
Let me try some of that, if you don't mind.
Henry spawned
no,
in
thank
Florida.
Spawned.
Rob spawned in Florida. This shit's so fucking good. Oh my god.
That shit's gas. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, let me get a
That
taste
shit's
of that.
gas.
Let me get a little swig.
Try that shit.
Fuck, that is good. That's a good shake right there.
Shake swap. Shake swap.
Shake swap.
Okay. Yeah.
Shark! Bro, the biker just got hit and shit.
He's limping, bro. Yeah, he can't even walk. Those white dudes all be smoking now. I swear they all be smoking.
Them niggas take two hits of a gas station cart and be fried for 7 months.
It doesn't pull anything for real. You know what I pull?
What?
Oh. Oh.